Visvesvaraya Industrial and Technological Museum, VITM, located in Bangalore, India, is a major center for learning about industrial technology, engineering, and science. Established in 1962 in honor of Sir M. Visvesvaraya, a pioneering engineer and statesman, the museum serves as a tribute to his remarkable contributions to India's industrial growth. Sir Visvesvaraya was instrumental in the development of key infrastructure projects like the Krishna Raja Sagra Dam and the founding of several industries in Mysore. The museum is designed to inspire curiosity about science and technology, particularly among students and young visitors. It features a range of interactive exhibits and hands-on displays that allow visitors to explore scientific principles and technological innovations. The museum's core mission is to make science and technology accessible to the general public, fostering learning in an engaging and fun environment. Key attractions: 1. Engineers Gallery. This gallery highlights the life and work of Sir Visvesvaraya, showcasing his achievements and contributions to the development of industries and infrastructure in India. The gallery also celebrates the role of engineers in advancing industrialization. Science for children. This section is designed to make science fun and interactive for younger audiences. It features numerous models and experiments that demonstrate concepts like force, motion, electricity, and magnetism. 3. Electronics Gallery. Visitors can explore the evolution of electronic devices and how they have transformed our daily lives. The gallery includes displays of telecommunication devices, computers, and electronic circuits. 4. Space Technology Gallery. This gallery is dedicated to the achievements of space exploration, particularly India's progress in space technology through ISRO. It includes models of satellites, rockets, and spacecraft, along with detailed explanations of how space missions are conducted. 5. Energy Gallery. The energy section explores different forms of energy generation and their technological implications. It includes exhibits on hydroelectric power, solar energy, and wind energy, highlighting how each is harnessed for practical use. Visitor experience. VITM is a popular destination for students, educators, and tech enthusiasts. The museum's interactive exhibits make it a dynamic place for hands-on learning. Visitors can engage directly with the displays, conduct simple experiments, and experience the workings of complex machinery and scientific principles. It provides a perfect setting for learning about the intersection of science, engineering, and industrial development.